Stop scrolling if you love chocolate. Imagine a dessert that's creamy, decadent, and guilt-free. Today, I'm revealing the secret to creating the most delicious chocolate banana ice cream you can enjoy without any regrets. And the best part? It only requires 3 simple ingredients and 5 minutes of your time. Let's dive in before your cravings take over. Start by taking 2 ripe bananas and peeling them. Bananas are not just naturally sweet and creamy, but they're also packed with potassium and fiber. Slice them into coins and lay them flat on a baking sheet. Pop them in the freezer for about 2 hours or overnight until they're completely frozen. Frozen bananas are the key to achieving that perfect, soft-serve texture. Once your bananas are frozen solid, it's time to blend them up. Place the banana slices into a high-speed blender or food processor. Add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Cocoa powder is rich in antioxidants and brings that deep chocolatey flavor we all crave. To make the blending process smoother, we'll add a splash of almond milk, about 1/4 cup. Almond milk keeps our recipe vegan and gives just the right amount of creaminess without any dairy. Blend everything together until the mixture is smooth and creamy. You might need to pause a few times to scrape down the sides and ensure everything is perfectly combined. And there you have it, your base for the healthiest chocolate banana ice cream. The texture should be like soft serve, luscious and indulgent. You can enjoy your ice cream right away, or if you prefer a firmer texture, transfer it to an airtight container and freeze it for an additional hour. The best part about this recipe is its versatility. Want to mix it up? Add in some dark chocolate chips, a tablespoon of nut butter, or even a few strawberries for a fruity twist. As you savor each spoonful, you'll realize that healthy eating doesn't mean giving up on your favorite treats. This ice cream satisfies your chocolate cravings and nourishes your body at the same time. And now you can whip it up anytime, guilt-free. I promise you, after trying this, you'll never look at store-bought ice cream the same way again. Enjoy your creamy dessert and share it with friends and family because everyone deserves a healthy treat that tastes this good.